is a wise man? Is a man who goes around teaching people and is capable of giving instruction to other people. That a man who goes around giving instruction to other people may or may not be wise. But a person who knows how to use the experience of every person in order to improve his own being certainly is a wise man to begin with, and is going to be a wiser man as time goes on. There's wisdom in Central Africa. There's wisdom in India. There's wisdom in China. There's wisdom in Christianity. There's wisdom in Islam. There's wisdom in Buddhism, in Hinduism, and there's also wisdom in Judaism. For centuries, these treasuries of wisdom have been locked off from one another, so that in simpler times than our own, people, if they were saintly figures, tried to live by the wisdom of the men in their tradition. One cannot reach moral decision without serious reflection, but one also cannot reach wise decision without being willing to study from everyone. From everyone.